Weebly and Square, both part of Square's larger ecosystem since the 2018 acquisition, offer powerful website building and e-commerce tools tailored to different user needs. While Weebly provides a straightforward drag and drop website builder for individuals and small businesses, Square is more focused on providing comprehensive payment solutions and business management tools for sellers. Understanding how these platforms compare can help you decide which one suits your website or e-commerce requirements better. So in this video, we'll be breaking down the two of these and giving you everything you need to know about these platforms, from their features, ease of use, and even their pricing. So without further ado, let's get into this comparison. Weebly and Square are two distinct platforms that serve different aspects of online business management, yet they are closely linked due to Square's acquisition of Weebly in 2018. At the core, Weebly focuses on website creation and simple e-commerce solutions, while Square is primarily designed to handle payment processing, point of sale systems, and business management. Both platforms have evolved significantly over the years, but each maintains a clear focus on its respective strengths, catering to slightly different audiences. Understanding how these platforms compare and contrast can help you make an informed decision when choosing the right solution for your website or your business. Weebly's primary appeal lies in its easy-to-use website builder. The drag and drop interface allows users to quickly build a website without any coding knowledge, making it an ideal solution for individuals and small businesses that need an online presence but don't have the technical expertise to build one from scratch. Weebly's platform allows users to add elements like text, images, and videos, and even slideshows by simply dragging them into place. This ease of use is one of Weebly's strongest features, as it enables users to design and launch their websites quickly and efficiently. On the other hand, Square offers a much more robust suite of tools designed to help businesses, particularly those that operate both online and in physical locations. Square began as a payment processing platform, allowing businesses to accept credit card payments through mobile devices. It has since expanded to include a variety of tools for managing inventory, employees, and customer data. For businesses that sell products in person and online, Square's integration with Weebly is seamless, allowing users to manage both aspects of their business from a single platform. One of the most significant differences between Weebly and Square is their focus on e-commerce. Weebly is a great option for individuals or small businesses that need a simple online storefront. It offers basic e-commerce features such as product listings, inventory management, and a secure checkout process. However, compared to other e-commerce platforms, Weebly's offerings are unfortunately somewhat limited. It's a good fit for smaller stores that don't require a lot of customization or advanced features. For example, Weebly's product management tools are easy to use but lack the depth and flexibility found in more dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce, which, if you want to get started with Shopify, make sure you use the link down in the description. Square, on the other hand, is designed specifically for businesses that need powerful e-commerce tools, particularly those that also operate in physical locations. Square's POS system is one of the most widely used in the world, and it integrates seamlessly with its online tools to provide a unified experience for businesses that sell both online and in person. With Square, businesses can track inventory across multiple locations, manage customer data, and accept payments from a variety of sources, including credit cards, mobile wallets, and even invoicing. For businesses that already use Square's POS system, integrating with Weebly to create an online store is a natural next step. Square users can easily connect with their existing inventory and product listings to their Weebly site, allowing them to manage both their online and in-person sales. All of this also can be done from a single dashboard. This integration is particularly useful for small businesses that want to expand their reach by selling online, but don't want to invest in a more complex e-commerce platform. With Square's integration, these businesses can take advantage of Weebly's easy-to-use website builder while still benefiting from Square's powerful business management tools. While Weebly and Square offer similar e-commerce solutions, they differ in terms of the level of customization and control available to users. Weebly provides users with a range of customization templates, allowing them to choose a design that fits their brand and personal style. These templates are mobile responsive, ensuring that websites look great on both desktop and mobile devices. However, customization options are somewhat limited compared to other platforms. Users can add basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to their websites, but they don't have the same level of control over the design and functionality that they would have on a more advanced platform like WordPress or Squarespace. Square, on the other hand, is much more focused on providing sales solutions and less on the design portion. E-commerce features are built around its POS system, meaning that businesses that use Square for an in-person sales system will find the transition to online sales relatively seamless. Square's platform is designed to help businesses optimize their sales process, whether you're selling online or in person. This focus on functionality over design means that businesses using Square are less concerned with how their website looks and more focused on how efficiently it operates. Another significant difference between Weebly and Square is their pricing structures. Weebly offers a free plan that includes basic website building tools and a Weebly branded domain, making it an attractive option for individuals or small businesses that want to get started without spending a lot of money. Paid plans start at a reasonable price and offer additional features such as custom domains, expanded storage, and advanced e-commerce tools. These paid plans are tiered, with the higher tiered plans offering more features for businesses that need more robust functionality. Square's pricing structure is based on transaction fees rather than subscription fees. While Square does offer some free tools for businesses, most of its features are tied to its payment processing system, meaning that businesses that pay a small fee for every transaction are processed through the Square platform. This makes Square an excellent option for businesses that don't want to commit to a monthly subscription fee but are willing to pay for the convenience of integrated payment processing. Square's transaction fees are competitive with other payment processors, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of any size. One area where Square clearly outshines Weebly is in its customer support. Because Square is a more business-focused platform, it offers a higher level of customer support than Weebly, including dedicated support for businesses that use its POS system. Square users have access to a variety of support options, including phone, email, and live chat, as well as an extensive knowledge base that covers everything from setting up your point of sale system to managing inventory and processing payments. Weebly, by contrast, offers basic support options, but its focus on simplicity means that most users won't need extensive support to get their website up and running. For individuals and businesses looking to start an online storefront or a website, choosing between Weebly and Square comes down to their specific needs. Weebly is pretty ideal for users who want a simple, easy-to-use website builder with basic e-commerce functionality. It's perfect for personal websites, portfolios, blogs, or small businesses that don't need advanced features. Square, on the other hand, is a much more powerful platform for businesses that need comprehensive sales and business management tools. Its integration with Weebly makes it a great option for businesses that already use Square for in-person sales, especially those who want to expand their reach to online selling. In terms of SEO and marketing, both of these platforms offer a range of tools to help users promote their search engine optimization. Weebly provides built-in SEO tools that allows users to optimize their site to search engines by adding keywords to page titles, meta descriptions, and URLs. Users can also use Weebly's App Center to add marketing tools such as social media integration and email marketing campaigns. Square, on the other hand, offers more robust marketing tools, including integration with Square Marketing, which allows businesses to create and send email campaigns, manage customer data, and track the effectiveness of their marketing efforts. Square's marketing tools are particularly beneficial for businesses that rely on both online and offline sales channels. By using Square's POS system, businesses can gather valuable customer data in store and use it to create targeted marketing campaigns. This level of integration between sales and marketing is one of Square's biggest strengths, allowing businesses to create a seamless experience for their customers across multiple touchpoints. Weebly's marketing tools, while useful, are not as comprehensive as those offered by Square, but they are more than sufficient for individuals and small businesses that primarily sell online. Another important consideration when comparing Weebly and Square is their ability to scale with your business. Weebly is an excellent choice for businesses that are just getting started out or are only requiring a small online presence. Its ease of use and affordability make it an attractive option for individuals or small businesses that don't have resources to invest in more complex platforms. However, as your business grows, your needs are going to become more complex. You may find that Weebly's limited features and customization options are no longer sufficient. Square, by contrast, is designed to scale with your business. As your business grows, Square's comprehensive suite of tools can help you manage more inventory, process more payments, and gather more customer data. Square also offers integrations with a wide range of third-party applications, allowing you to add additional functionality to your business. If you guys are interested in getting started with either of these platforms, make sure you use the links down in the description. Also, please remember that those links are probably affiliate links, and we do earn a small commission from each sign up, so thank you in advance for supporting us. Make sure you like this video and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos, and I can't wait to see you guys in one of our future videos. Other than that though, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next one.